sure your insured package is insured.
Love the bubble wrap, but the peanuts go
everywhere.
Yeah.
Yes, those are, and the bubble wrap's always fun to
pop afterwards. So it's like a bonus.
All right, it's like a gift within a gift. All right, so we're starting off with some patchy marine layer clouds, a little bit of fog as well. Right now, Mission Bay, dark and early this morning, and the fog, Fallbrook really seems to be our trouble spot this morning. South Bay looking good, but Fallbrook visibility less than half a mile. Of course, that could change over the next couple of hours, so we'll track it for you and let you know of any changes. It's a mild and muggy start to our morning. A lot of it's in the 60s, but look at the 70s out there. Alpine, Kearney Mesa, Carlsbad, Oceanside, downtown, and Imperial Beach. So some areas a little bit warmer than yesterday. And as far as the humidity goes, it's sticky already. So current dew point temperatures are in the 60s for a lot of areas. Anything above 60 really starts to feel muggy. Anything in the mid 60s really starts to feel sticky, and anything above 70 is really uncomfortable. Oceanside and Carlsbad flirting with that 70-degree mark. So a very muggy morning. It's only going to be more muggy as we get into the afternoon. A very humid day in store for us, a humid week, in fact, as that monsoon moisture continues to pump into our area as that high pressure system just sits over our area. In fact, we have some thunderstorms early this morning in San Bernardino County, a few flood advisories earlier, and that possibility of a few showers and thunderstorms will be possible this afternoon near our mountain areas. Now, most areas are just going to see clouds building, but a few of those may be productive this afternoon and then again tomorrow afternoon. But Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we're going to get this extra surge of moisture, so expect to see a lot more green on our futurecast by then. Along the coastline, a humid week in store for us. Temperatures in the 70s and 80s. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we will see more clouds as that push of moisture comes into our area. Inland neighborhoods, maybe a touch cooler Friday and Saturday in the mid 80s. Now on Saturday, with that extra moisture, there will be a slight chance for a shower, maybe a thunderstorm to move into our valley locations. Won't be quite as warm in our mountains or deserts Friday and Saturday, especially due to that cloud cover, but through Sunday, that potential for storms is there.